What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be doing the 99 nights in the forest map, but we're gonna try and make it to max campfire level 10. So let's get straight to it. I also brought Jello VR and that little cheese ball guy with us. So let's go, Jello.
What do you mean by that? Okay, I'm in.
Okay, come on, guys. Let's go. Head into the 99 nights in the forest map.
I swear that was by accident. I was just moving my stick around. Hey, I'm reviving you.
You revive him and then I'll kill you, and then I'll revive you.
Hey, that's.
I'll revive you, bro. You red watch.
Nah, bro.
Okay, come on, guys. So let's wait until it's not. Guys, let's wait until it's daytime.
Snipe anyone, you guys. Okay. I have a sniper.
Don't you dare snipe me.
You wanna get sniped?
No.
Okay.
You gotta.
Who has a flashlight?
I have
Who
a
has a
flashlight.
flashlight?
Come on.
I don't have one though.
I'm the only one that has a flashlight. Well, good thing we have the campfire. Come on, guys.
The monster's behind you guys.
Put it inside the fire. Hurry up.
Dude, this is gonna be a fast
Guys,
one,
there's a
you know why?
Oh, you saved it up. Okay, by level 3.
Guys, I need
Level
some
4?
distraction. Oh.
What, level 4? We gotta make it to level 5 and then we can almost,
You
and
guys
then we're halfway through. Level 5 and then we're halfway through. I know whenever it hits level 5.
Do you guys need food or something? Cause I can go hunt some chickens.
Do you guys need food? Because I can go hunt some chickens.
We can't get food. We need food. We definitely need food, but we just don't need it right now. We can use it whenever we die or whenever we're low on health.
Okay.
He's gonna hunt some chickens while we are gonna go and start leveling up the campfire.
I can kill chicks. Hey!
I'm coming.
Since I accidentally pointed it on myself because I was scared I was innocent.
I killed myself first. Where is it?
Okay, we're at level 5. We're at level 5. We're at level 5. We just need 5 more levels to go. Oh, yeah. We're gonna get some big levels on this.
Crap,
Alright, sniper is ready.
I also needed to kill some mobs, by the way.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Sorry, you were in my way.
I
Sorry.
just got a chicken.
My bad. I'll get you some chicken.
For just killing this innocent chicken.
Yo, give me the chicken. Yo, watch out!
Uh-oh. Ogre, no!
Over no! Over no! Over no!
Yo, you let go of him. There you are.
Okay, I'll revive you.
You little ghosty boy.
Uh-oh, I can't kill Armstrong.
Hurry up.
Guys, the sniper is too, like, good, so I keep hitting you guys. The aim is just too good.
That's why we shouldn't be doing that.
Yeah, but, like, I like it, so, yeah.
That thing is gonna kill us all before we get to level 10. We're so close to level 6. What?
Night was approaching when I was... I need someone's light. I need someone's light. It's important.
Oh yeah, this one is the one that gets us money. Okay, we're at level.
Yo,
We only need one more wood until we make it to level 6.
Did you know that the cyst is the tallest monster in the game? I'm breaking his toes.
Watch out!
Oh!
Are you dead?
Oh no!
Huh?
Kill him with the sniper!
I can.
Oh my god! Yeah!
Come on, Slap.
What the?
Oh my god, cheeks!
Yeah, I'm.
What are you gonna do with that big fat wiggle?
We all died, respawn. We all died. God damn! Bo bringing out the
But
big
this
gun.
time, don't forget a light.
Okay, so we're at
Yeah, I
level
got it.
6. We're at level 6, guys. We're at level 6. Good job to everybody. We made it to level 6. We need to make it level 7. 6, 7.
None of us.
Like 6, 7 in the comments right now, or you guys will not be in the game. And also, please subscribe. I'm trying to make it to do face review.
No one's dying.
Bro, come on, Jello, get back down here.
I'm
Yeah, who wants a flashlight?
Oh my god.
There's 2 flashlights.
Oh my! I have a mega flashlight too, bro.
Bo there's 3 Omega flashlights. I don't think I need this glow stick anymore.
There's a CDS card.
I already have the CDS card. We're almost. We just need to make it to level 7, and then we're like a quarter way
It's
there.
a golden pickaxe.
Well, I have another light. I have a.
Oh my god! Why did you flashbang me? You know what? Just for that.
Do it just for that.
Just for that.
Well, I'm gonna go get some goop real quick.
Okay, can you like attach my pickaxe?
I'm just gonna grab a piece of goop so I can attach this to somewhere, so I don't have to just like.
I need 2 pieces of goop. I need 2.
They're not giving out free goop all the time, guys. I'm
I
telling you
just
guys.
need 2.
1, 2. Then I get 2 for myself. Do not take my mega flashlight.
Yo, I died by my own trip mine.
Okay.
I died by my own trip mine. I'm gonna go get it back.
Damn it.
Bro, my hookshot disappeared.
Probably ran out of. Probably despawned.
Wait, I'm gonna do that too, actually.
Why can I barely
I'm back,
see?
gang. Can I have some goopy goops? Can I have some goops? Only one. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Sigma boy.
No, give my pickaxe back.
I keep forgetting I have the colored one. Yo, am I out of Wi-Fi? No. You can't be
Who
telling me
got
this.
goop?
You can't be telling me this isn't real the whole time. Yo,
Red, I need
can you see the mega flashlight?
Ow!
I can see it. I can see the mega flashlight.
It's stuck on my hand. Get it off.
It's not.
It's literally on your damn bag.
It's on your bag.
No, it isn't.
It is.
Now it isn't. Bro, can you give me goop?
Bro, it's on my hand.
Dude, can you hold this mega contraption so I can get something?
I
Can
can't.
you guys stop
This is
putting that
stuck.
in my fucking phone?
How much is go back? We need to make it to level 7. I mean 8. I guess.
Who has goop? Red, can you give me goop? Should I call you Coolkidd, goop? Who has goop? None. Red, I know you have goop.
Yeah, but I can't give it to you because I have a thing stuck. Yeah, right. My friend can just kick you from the code.
I know.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure I probably did not beat the challenge.